What is up, queens and kings? Welcome and welcome back to the channel. Here at Queen Budgets, we are tackling all things financial, from budgeting by paycheck, cash envelopes, sinking funds, savings challenges, debt payoff, while currently on a low income and a single mama 3. So if that sounds like something that would interest you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification. Go ahead and join the shmoney team so you can be lit like us, baby, in getting your shmoney together. Okay. Because y'all know I can ramble for like days or whatever. So let's jump right on into it. We're doing March 1st budget with me. The budgeted amount is $900. Okay. So we starting out with 900. Canva has to be paid on the first, and that budgeted amount is $13. So that leaves us with 887. Then roadway insurance is $218. That leaves us with $669. Victoria's Secret is $40. That will leave us with $629. And Lane Bryant is also $40. That will leave us with $589. WSSC, my water, $66. That is not the full amount of my water bill, but because my water bill is quarterly, I break the payments down into 3 equal parts and just pay it monthly instead of paying it quarterly. So it's $66. That will leave us with $523. And then I have to pay past advocacy. But guess what, y'all? This is literally my last payment, and I am fully done paying the advocate. So that leaves us with $473. Okay. So we're going to go over to the breakdown. Now, this is the variable breakdown. So, you know, all the money that I keep in my cash wallet, my cash envelope wallet or whatever. So, for the queen, of course, me, we're going to give myself $40 for the week, so that's going to leave us with $433. Kenzie F baby, please say the baby, she's going to get $15. She did get a bonus, but then she had to get a deduction because she ain't know what, she wasn't doing what she had to do. Okay, so she got the bonus. She was up to 20, so she got a deduction down to 15. And that leaves us with $418. And then Trance, he got his normal $10. That brings us down to $408. Gasolina, I put $150 for the week. That brings us down to $258. Then Eat Out, I'm going to put $20 in Eat Out. That's going to leave us with $238. Then Mikasa, my household items and stuff like that, I'm going to put $35 for the week towards that. That's going to leave us with $203. Self-care, $25. That leaves us with $178. Miscellaneous is getting $15. That leaves us with $163. Love is going to get $3 this go around. And then there will be $160 left over after the variables are, squared away. So then $15 is going to go into the emergency fund. That will leave us with $145. Birthdays is getting another $100 because Kenzie F baby's birthday's coming, Trant's birthday, and my birthday coming. So we gotta kick the birthday fund up because I'm definitely trying to celebrate my birthday and I'm gonna need some money. So then the car fund is going to get $25. That's going to leave us with $20. And then last but definitely not least, we're going to put $20 in the Christmas fund. We got a little bit of time before Christmas comes, but we got to start saving now. So that will bring us down to $0, which leaves us with a zero budget. Hence the zero-based budget. Every dollar has a place. So I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. If you made it all the way to the end of the video, you a real one. Okay, leave me a pink emoji. It don't have to be a heart. Any pink emoji in the comments. And guess what? I will see you guys in the next one.